Pablo and Ken caught the attention of fans in SB19 Damn music video teaser. SB19's Damn music video has become the talk of the town with its movie-like quality na pang-international ang kalidad. At heto nga, umani ng atensyon ang clip ni na Pablo at Ken na tila ay nasa isang labanan. And based on the clip, here are a few notable theories. It could be that Ken is the guard of the castle and since Pablo appeared in a smoke, inakala niyang kaaway ito. Mapapansin na Ken wielded his sword pero nang nakita si Pablo ay huminto ito. Another theory is that may labanan talagang nangyari. It could be that they are on the same side but had a misunderstanding due to different views. But just like in the movies, for sure they will put aside their differences and help one another to achieve one goal. Another theory is that this is a medieval fight of the mist. Nag-aaway umano ang dalawa dahil sa mist issue. Sa teaser kasi ay tila umiiyak si Stell kaya pinagtanggol umano ni Ken at nauwi sa away ni na Pablo. Just kidding, this is just a simple humor from 18. Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo? Huwag kalimutan, Damn audio release is on February 28, 12 midnight at ang music video ay ilalabas naman sa 12 noon February 28. Let's give the attention and recognition that SB19 deserves.